Hey there. Welcome to MrTech, where we spotlight the toughest jobs and the luckiest moments. Today, we're diving into the world of fearless lumberjacks. Let's jump right in. Whoa, check out that tree go down. Talk about a seriously epic sight, right? It was a perfect day for logging, but a bad day for one lumberjack. Despite that, he had an interesting felling job and a spectacular tree somersault show. On the bright side, the family in the red house has one extra tree for the holidays. For optimal safety during the takedown, a diversified toolkit is essential. We're talking chains, straps, a winch, and heavy machinery like a tractor or pickup. This comprehensive approach minimizes risk.
But the problem is we might have there, and it did come this way in that crotch. So.
Okay, folks, we've got a car in a tree. Seriously, who's got the story on this one? I'm dying to know. The tree's descent deviates from the intended path, suggesting a flawed assessment of either the tree's center of gravity or the external forces at play. Ugh, that old fence finally bit the dust, huh? Blame it on that tree. Looks like we'll be saying goodbye to it and hello to a new one. Anyone got recommendations for a good fence company? The giant and heaviest log load abroad, to be precise in Gabon, Africa, even heavy equipment is overwhelmed.
Ini kita menggunakan, baru kita ini ada limpas sungai. Sungai tanahnya di sini tanah pasir. Mudah-mudahan saja di bawah sana nanti kita tidak amblas ya. Nah, ini masalah pendek, ini ya dia boleh angkat begitu. Oh, terus. Mantap, rapat.
Wow, talk about a close call. Isn't it just amazing that nobody got hurt when that tree came down? The John Deere 7830 packs 205 horsepower and a 6.8-liter diesel engine, built for tough jobs. With 14,000 pounds lifting capacity and 45 gallons per minute hydraulics, it handles heavy loads effortlessly. Paired with the Rotor S stump grinder, which grinds up to 100 stumps per hour, this combo is a land-clearing beast. Observe the encroaching tempest. The subject remains resolute. The compromised oak, exhibiting a precarious tilt, presents a formidable challenge, yet he confronts it directly. Employing a strategy of resource maximization, he leverages all available tools. Though the endeavor carries inherent risks, the outcome is ultimately affirmative. You know those tricky trees that just won't budge? Well, I've found the perfect solution. Using a Husqvarna 545 with a micro chisel chain makes all the difference. It's like having a secret weapon against those stubborn trees. Not easy to get out of this ferry. Wow, now that's a tree. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? I'd bet it's seen close to 100 years. And just imagine all the cozy fires and sturdy homes that could come from a beauty like that. Indeed, we're witnessing a moment of intense suspense. The outcome hangs precariously in the balance. Let's break down the Dominator VAKR-A 500HK. It's a firewood processor that's all about efficiency. The hydraulic system works with most loaders, and the wireless remote means no more manual adjustments. Plus, it's made in the Czech Republic, known for quality. A solid choice for anyone in the firewood business. The protagonist's meticulously crafted plan was upended by an unexpected variable, the sentient tree. This created a high-risk scenario, demonstrating the unpredictable nature of even the most calculated endeavors.
Yeah, it's teetering. Wrong way!
That was exactly what I didn't want to happen.
Well, that's why I think I put the camera down, though. All right.
Well, at least it didn't break the driveway. Cut!
Your rapid response demonstrates exceptional situational awareness and agility. Well done.
Waouh! Waouh! Dites avec moi waouh s'il vous plaît. Waouh! Waouh! Merde!
Close call. Always expect the unexpected in our line of work. The Diamant 2000 from Albach Maschinenbau is a paradigm of high-performance wood chipping. Its robust 790 horsepower MAN engine, coupled with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensures optimal performance in diverse terrains. The precision-engineered rotor and replaceable blade holders maximize efficiency, making it a top contender in its class. The trajectory was optimal, resulting in a precise impact. This demonstrates a high degree of proficiency in controlled demolition.
And here's our hero.
The kinetic energy released upon impact was remarkable. The resulting atmospheric displacement generated a localized, albeit brief, cyclonic phenomenon, visually analogous to a miniature snow squall. Man, this log's got a mind of its own. It's like it's saying, nope, not today. The desiccated cedar presented a significant challenge. Due to its compromised structural integrity, a mid-trunk line was employed. Approximately 1,000 pounds of tension was applied to ensure controlled felling. He demonstrated considerable proficiency, yet the tree's trajectory deviated unexpectedly, resulting in a near miss. Fortunately, no injuries were sustained. The Pezzolato horizontal splitter represents a pinnacle of industrial log splitting technology. Its robust hydraulic system delivers an impressive 50 tons of force, capable of processing logs up to 82.68 inches in length. The adjustable hydraulic cross wedge facilitates precise quartering, while the dual power options, PTO or electric, enhance versatility. Single operator efficiency is achieved through the intuitive remote control. This machine exemplifies engineering excellence. His arboricultural expertise, particularly his ability to perform high-altitude trimming, demonstrates a remarkable level of courage and skill. I swear these guys must have skipped the how-to class. Observe the arboreal specimen's predicament, a clear demonstration of nature's inherent challenges. Fortunately, its inherent biological mechanisms facilitated a safe and successful descent.
LMAO.
If you love this video, give it a like and hit subscribe for more adventures coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.